Hi, I'm Paula from Inspired to Sew, and I'm going to be talking about the newest AccuQuilt die, the Wonky Heart. It comes in a die that looks like this, so it's nice and paired up with the partner it's got to the right and to the left, up and down. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these layers of fabric and line it up like this. And we'll place our mat on top and run it through the machine. You can cut up to 6 layers of fabric at a time with one pass.
With one pass?
Yep. You want to have at least 2 different colors so that they complement each other and you can tell.
Okay. It did cut up like different layers of the fabric at the same time.
Yep.
All nice and clean with precision.
Yep. These are all the scraps that I had left. Hardly any scraps at all.
Yeah.
This is the finished block. It is a 6-inch finished block.
Okay.
So you'll have your pieces.
Beautiful.
Like
It's looking pretty. Thank you, Paula.
Thank you.